Hey, if your home feels more like a survival zone than a sanctuary, you're not alone. But what if a few tiny daily habits could transform it? Today, I'm sharing simple daily habits that make your home thrive, not just survive. These small changes create big peace, and I'll show you exactly how to start. So stick around. These are the ones that actually stick. Your home is your refuge. When it's calm, you feel calm. And when it's chaotic, everything just feels harder. The good news, you don't need a massive overhaul, just consistent, tiny actions that build momentum. These habits take 5 to 10 minutes max, and they can compound into a home that feels alive and peaceful. Let's dive in. Start your day with this. Make your bed every single morning. It takes 2 minutes and instantly makes the whole bedroom look tidier. Admiral McRaven says it best. If you want to change the world, start by making your bed. Bonus, it sets the tone of order for the rest of your day. Habit 2. After breakfast, spend 5 minutes resetting the kitchen. Load the dishwasher, wipe down the counters, put away dishes. This prevents the kitchen avalanche later. Do this while your coffee brews. It's effortless and it keeps the heart of your home calm. Instead of a giant laundry day, do one load every day. I've done it both ways and I know. Start in the morning, fold it in the evening. No more overflowing hampers, and it cuts the dread of the laundry mountains. And here's a pro tip. Keep a basket in each bedroom of dirty clothes, and it keeps it contained. Pick one spot each day to declutter just for 10 minutes and set a timer. And when the timer ends, you're done. Maybe a kitchen drawer, an entryway table, a coffee table. Use the one in and one out rule. When something new comes in, let something else go. Over time, clutter disappears without feeling overwhelming. Add one small natural element daily. Water plants. Open the windows for some fresh air. Add fresh flowers or greenery. Did you know having flowers, it really just boosts your mood and makes your home feel alive? Even a single new plant can transform the energy and feel of your home. End the day with a 10-minute reset. Tidy up common areas. Maybe put on a diffuser or dim some lights, put on some light music. Prep for tomorrow. Maybe get your outfit out, your lunch prepped the next day. This helps create closure and a peaceful transition to sleep. Your home feels ready for the next day, and so do you. So to recap, make your bed, morning, kitchen, reset. One load of laundry a day, a 10-minute declutter, bring in nature into your home, and your evening wind down. So if this seems overwhelming right now, just start with 2 or 3 habits and track them for a week. You'll notice that peace will build fast. These small changes create big peace. Your home and your family deserves to thrive and not just survive. So which habit are you starting today? Would you drop it in the comments? If this has helped you, would you subscribe and hit like, hit that bell for more home and lifestyle tips? And if you'd like, grab my 7-day Thrive in the Home challenge in the description. It's printable and includes these habits plus some extras. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that this will help make your home a happy place. And I'll see you next time.